What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be looking at USD CAD and gold to see how USD CAD and gold are doing for the week and for today. So let's dive in further. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, before we start, so as you can look at the chart now, we have USD CAD. USD CAD has been bullish all this while. So for last week we had a particular trend line last week. So the trend line didn't hold, then I had to adjust it to see what the market is doing. So we had this last week. We had this last week. But the market broke. We had this touch, this touch, this touch. So the market broke it. So when the market broke the trend line, we had to adjust our trend line to this point here. So the market was just here last week. So we used the Fibonacci tool to determine this sell. We use our Fibonacci tool. As you can see. So the market was just playing last week. We had this. You can see market was on the 61.8 retracement level here last week. So we took the short from here to this point, but the market didn't reach the point. The market decided to go up. So for this week we have a different view of the market this week. So I'm going to clear all the charts so that we can analyze this week to see what you're looking for. So as you can see, we are expecting price to get to this point before dropping overall. So we are expecting something like this before going down. This is the weekly 68.1 retracement level. As you can see from the larger time frame, you can see that USD CAD is currently selling overall. So we are on a downtrend on USD CAD. So expecting price to go down overall. So let's dive into the small time frame to check the chart the more. So as you can see from the daily time frame, expecting price to get to this resistance before dropping overall. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So before that, we have this trend touch to the upside, but market broke it and created a new one. We had this before. We had this trend touch. We had We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So market broke it and went back into the trend line. So for this week, we are going to adjust the trend line to this point now. So this is the latest touch we have. We have 1, 2, and we have, since you're expecting price to come this place, so what we're looking for now is buys. You're looking for buys to this point. So when the market touch this trend line, we trace to this trend, touch this trend line. So we used our Fibonacci tool. We're going to be using Fibonacci tool now to determine if this is a strong trend line for the second touch. So we use the Fibonacci tool, take it from here to the tip of the trend. So we are doing this. Let's go to the H1 time frame to see it clear. As you can see, right here from the bottom to the top, you can see that price actually respected the 68.1 retracement, 61.8 retracement level. So that this level is very valid. So that shows that we have our trend line from here. So though we are going to be looking for buys, but until price comes to this point before we buy. Expecting price to come here, so before we can go long on this pair. So guys, that's what I have for USD CAD. As you can see, the first touch, second touch, expecting the third touch before we go for our buys. So expecting buys to this point, for this level 60, that is 36.200. So expecting price to drop to this point or anywhere on the trend line before we go long. So that's it for USD CAD. You can see that's a very significant level for price to take off from there. It shows that the Fibs level is very, very valid. As you can see, touch here for also expecting price to drop to this point to give us a very nice entry. So that's it, guys. So let's go down to the next pair. So this is it for USD CAD. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and like and share this video, and drop your comments below for any correction or anything you feel about the video. So that's it, guys. Alright, guys, so this is gold looking very beautiful and promising. So on the daily time frame, on my previous video, we have been analyzing gold to see how gold is going to react over the long run. So as you can see, gold is currently buying to this profusely to this side. Gold is buying to this point, so expecting the sales from here. So we have been following gold for last 1 week now, and gold is actually going according to the way we planned. So expecting gold to get to this point before dropping. So let's dive into the 4-hour time frame to see clearer from there. Go to the 4-hour time frame to see gold clearly. So as you can see, gold is on this nice beautiful trend line. First touch, second touch, expecting the third touch from here. So and first, second and third, expecting the third touch from here, market to drop to react from this point. So if you dive in deep, you can see that market has been giving us some touches here for those looking for buys. We had first touch, second touch and third touch, expecting price to buy to this point. So if you can take a see your buys from here and you make profit. So expecting price to either come to this trend line, get back to this trend line, or buy to this point for dropping. So that's it for gold. Gold is still making progress. We're still waiting for gold. Waiting for gold. Gold look very, very good. One thing I like about gold is gold respects price action very, very well. Respects price action very, very well. So the problem you're having about gold is just the risk management. If you know how to do your risk management with gold, you can see that gold is a very good and volatile pair to trade because it respects price action. If it has a head and shoulder, it plays out. W pattern, it plays out. So there's kind of manipulations in the market, but I think gold is a very volatile for people who like to pass their challenges on prop firms very fast. So that's it, guys. So very soon I'm going to drop in my video on how I trade a day in the life of a forex trader, how I live my life here, and you guys get to see my face and everything about me. So that's it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share as we wait for gold to do what it's doing, to do its thing. So that's it. Expecting gold now to buy to this point, to this level before we go short. So that's it, guys, for gold. This is the daily analysis on gold. So please stay tuned and expect our next video. Thanks for watching.